How to add Spotify in the Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to add Spotify as your audio app, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add the Spotify, tap onto profile at the bottom, just right here, select it. Then you will find something like this on your home screen. Then here you can find settings at the top, select it. Now here you can find audio, just right here on the features section. Now select it. Then here you can find the Spotify, just right here. Now to add it, simply tap on to connect, just right here, select it. Then tap on to continue. And now you can see your Spotify is now connected. And that's how you can add Spotify in the Bereal app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.